how you doing? This is Dark Dave from Dark Dave Shop. Just out of Fort Royal. I know I've done this trip before, but we're headed south today. My wife decided that she, for her birthday, would like to take a long motorcycle trip like I do all the time for my stuff. I said, where do you want to go? She said, Tail of the Dragon. I'm happy. She's happy. So we're taking the Blue Dragon. Now, a lot of people do this before they leave. I'm going to do it while we're on the road, because we're about 2.5 hours out, maybe 3, I'm not really sure. But it's been a great ride so far. Now, one of the things that we've done...
Nice looking bike.
Thank you. So, tell me why you think it's a nice looking bike.
Just pretty.
I like that. I think it's pretty too. I call it the Blue Dragon.
Oh,
Can you tell why?
This is blue?
It's got that blue flake in it.
Metallic blue?
Yep.
It's really pretty. I like those bikes with the back wheels.
I love it. Bad back makes it so much easier.
Does it? Good.
You don't mind being on my YouTube channel, do you?
No, I guess not. I'm on it now.
You're on it now. I appreciate that. So, oh no, I have to cut them out. And... All right, well, you have a good one. Well, thank you very much.
Be safe.
I'll try. All right, so we've got our helmets. My wife got a blue helmet. I got a silver one. So mine's a silver, hers is blue. She's got us some Gatorade here. I've got our pack that has our clothes in it. We've got some extra clothes in here. We've got our heavy jackets down in the bottom. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna break it up for you, and we're gonna make this as fun as possible. You guys enjoy. All right, welcome to Dark Dave Shop. This is Dark Dave. Hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully this is coming in real good. And that's why I'm doing it, what I'm saying here. So if you can't hear me as well, we can fix that in post. I'm here with DJ Door. She's going to be doing some long shooting for me. And we're on the Tail of the Dragon today. This is because my loving wife wanted for her birthday to come down and do this. We've not been down here before. I've been near here a couple of times, but never actually been on the Dragon. So let's go do it. See what we see. Nice thing is we'll be coming back up this way at the end. Now somewhere along here there's supposed to be photographers. We'll probably buy a picture or two and we'll add them in. I'm hoping you guys are having a blast when you're watching this. If you haven't yet, please subscribe on YouTube. Please like the video. If you like these type of videos, go ahead and hit the little bell icon. It's fun. I tried to bring you guys along. I know a lot of people don't seem to like the ride videos, but this one I think a lot of people are going to love because it is the Dragon. If I'm not mistaken, this is the start of it. And we're going through here. Now, I am not a speed demon. I try to keep in the lines. I'm on a 3-wheeler today. This is my bike, the Blue Dragon. Haven't really given her a name yet. If you guys have a good Dragon name for the Blue Dragon, let me know. You never know, I might pick it. You guys have seen one of the stuffed animals that depict the Blue Dragon when I'm not riding her. She likes to be ridden, so I keep her riding. I'm over 20,000 miles, 15 months of ownership. When I bought her, well, when I took her for the first test drive, she only had 3. I bought her at 5 after my test drive. She is a fun bike. She is a 2020 TriGlide. I don't know if you guys can see this over here. We've got some beautiful water. And you got enough time and everything back there, babe, that you would be able to shoot the whole trip if you want. I'm going to close this so you guys can hear me a little better. Put my mouth up there so my wife can hear it. I'm opening that up. You guys can still hear me, I know. Right there is one reason you stay on your side, because you got cars coming, etc. It's so much better to make sure that you're safe. At one time, this highway was a 55-mile-an-hour highway. It's now 30, mainly because they had so many wrecks on it. Got some nice overlooks for the water here. I don't know about you, but I love scenery like this. This is always something that makes me happy. I'm always looking for the wildlife, because you never know when something's going to jump out on you, like a deer or a wild turkey or a squirrel or something. And you don't want to run those over if you can avoid it. Now you have a lot of sports cars who come along here too, and a lot of just people who live along this area. And when I get home and I'm splicing everything together, I'll show you some of the knickknacks that we bought at the store there. We're going to buy some more probably at the store down here at the bottom. Now I always try when I'm coming by a bike to do the hand signal. You put the 2 fingers down for a two-wheeler. 3 fingers down for a trike. You do not have to do this. You don't even have to do it the way I do it. Now hopefully you know what you do for a unicycle. I'll let you pick the finger. Alright, we're going to quickly stop at this Harley dealer here. So we're going to do a pause. And we're not going in unless the wife wants to go in, because I got a coin from this one. So you guys just finishing?
Yeah.
So what do you think?
It's awesome.
Cool.
How about you? Have you run it a few times?
We're getting ready to run it right now. Trying to get, she doesn't want to go neutral for something. There we go.
It's a good time.
It's a great time.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, no, we just ran it last night.
You guys don't mind me turning the handles so that you guys can be on film a little bit?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Wave, you're on Dark Dave's shop.
We ran it last night without realizing it was on our way to our hotel until we were on it with full baggers, big fat luggage rack, and we're like, oh, we're riding the tail tonight. So we did it much better this morning without all the bags.
Right.
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah, it was good.
Much better.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's
Fun run.
nice. It's fun. The road's damp, but it's not
It's not soaking wet's the nice thing.
That's fine.
so fun. Where you
fine.
from? We're from
Interactive
Idaho.
Well, we are from the DC area currently.
Oh, geez.
Military.
Cool. Yeah, he was a Marine.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's what most people say.
What'd you do in the Marines?
Was Manual Morse Intercept.
Okay. I was infantry.
Manual Morse anymore, so.
All right, well,
He's a
hey,
pastor.
he's a pass on.
Have a great run.
You guys too,
Be careful.
be safe.
Good time,
Yeah,
you
be
bet.
safe. Take care.
All right. Now, this is the Harley shop, US 129 Dragon. We stopped at their sister store in Knoxville the other day, so I don't feel I need to stop in them. But I figured I'd say hey to some people sitting there, and I wanted to get the check-in, because I do the monthly mile thing, and this one is the July through September. I already blew through those miles, so it was just a check-in, and I did that. It's all done. But I like getting check-ins wherever I'm at. I try to get one of those little plastic coins too. They're pretty neat. Main reason why is I use them for pool chips. Now once we get to where these side roads quit coming in, that's where we're actually on the tail itself. Nice thing is I can cut this and edit it together no matter. People say that, but I'm like, you pass the signs everywhere for both ends. you know you're on it. You're just too. I mean, because the actual dragon itself is slightly ahead of us. Nice little dam there. Deeper water on this end, slightly shallower there. But again, this is Dark Dave's shop. This is Dark Dave. I got DJ door in the back. We are doing the Tail of the Dragon today. This was, believe it or not, a request from my loving wife. She wanted to do this for her birthday, and I thought it was a great idea. She likes taking rides with me, and I love taking her for rides. Anymore, we are on our TriGlide. I know we're not on it yet because we're still at 50 miles an hour. Water way back there? Yep. I figure when I see the sign saying 35, that tells me I'm on it. And let's see. Yeah, 3 more miles till we get to it. To the actual Tail of the Dragon. Sorry, 4 more miles. Yeah. And just put your hand there, yep. Yep. Well, it's like this cup holder. If I put that in there deep, it's fine. It's giving me plenty of battery power. I can check and look, make sure it's on. I can check and make sure it's on. No, that's why I want to make sure it was on now while we're on a straightaway. Because that battery for the camera, I can go 3 days without having to recharge. Oh yeah, and the nice thing is, as I said, it's because it was 100% charged when we started. It's got, I think, nothing on the video. If it's anything, it's nothing much. It's got like 5 hours of video available.